This is a beautiful pool, but it can be a lot of work to keep it clean, especially when you pressure wash the pool deck and forget to cover the pool. That's exactly why I got this all-new Ofuzzi robot pool vacuum. It's super easy to set up, and it comes with this floating handle for easy retrieval. Just turn it on and throw it in the water and let it go to work. Time for a closer look. After diving in and getting a little closer, you can see that it has a ton of suction power. It's able to get up leaves, rocks, and all kinds of sand debris. Just hook the handle, pull it out, and let the water drain. Then you can just take the cover off, remove the filter, and see what you got. Now, our pool is already fairly clean because I'm pretty diligent about it. But then you throw it back together, unscrew the watertight cap, and plug it into charge. But since our pool is already clean, I thought I'd throw it through a little test run in our dog's pool. Threw a bunch of rocks and debris in there and wanted to see how well it would do. And after it finished that, we shut it off, pulled it out, took the cover off, and look at all that debris. Picked up a ton of rocks, and overall, super happy with it. As I watched it bounce back and forth in the hot tub, I thought of one movie scene in particular. Man, that's a good movie. And this is a good robot.